Hello everyone, I'm Chuck Gordner from MoneyMan4438, and today we're going to be talking about ScreenCast-O-Matic and how to use it to create a video to put inside your bridge page, capture page, or sales pages. We're going to start from scratch, so I've got a Google homepage up. You'll come over and type in ScreenCast-O-Matic. I've already searched it out, so it's already there. You'll click on ScreenCast-O-Matic.com. Now when this page comes up, you can click on Start Recording for free. It's going to say launch the free recorder, which you can do, but I would highly recommend that you sign up first before you start doing any recordings, so that all your recordings can be stored on the ScreenCast-O-Matic.com website. So you would want to sign up for free. I've already signed up, so I'm going to just log in. And then I'm going to launch the recorder. Now as you can see, it's downloaded for me. I'm going to show it in the folder where it's at, and then I'm going to click on it to actually launch it. This could take a few minutes. I'll edit the video if I need to, if it takes too long, but I just wanted to show you the process of getting ScreenCast-O-Matic for yourself. Okay, so here we are. ScreenCast-O-Matic is finally downloaded and updated, and it is back to their home screen where you launched, giving you a brief overview, I believe it is, of what you can accomplish with ScreenCast-O-Matic. So we'll click this X, and down here you would be able to start your recording by simply pressing record. Now you're not able to edit ScreenCast-O-Matic, but it is a free video program, and it is what I started using when I first was promoting my businesses. It's going to show whatever is inside this box. So if it doesn't show your entire screen, there is no way to enlarge that. What you would have to do is minimize your screen, shrink it to go inside the box. As you can tell, this is going to catch anything in the background. That was my vicious little pup alerting me that someone just came to the house. So now that you can see that I have this inside the box, so it's going to record whatever I want it to see. Now, if I don't want it to see all of this up at the top, then I would have to take it and move that up, and then move this down so that I don't see the stuff at the bottom, or let's just get rid of that. There we go. So now this is going to record exactly what you see inside the screen. It's got the camera turned off right now because I'm using it for my other video program to be able to show you this video itself. So once you're done with recording, you would just pause that, click done. In order to edit, you got to click this link to upgrade and unlock the editing features. So if you want to have editing features, you simply upgrade to their Pro version. You can redo this, which would delete this recording and start over. Or you can cancel. You can delete the recording and exit. You have several places to save this to. can save it as a video file so that you have it on your computer. But remember, it's already being stored in ScreenCast-O-Matic underneath your login. So you could just simply upload it to ScreenCast-O-Matic, or you can upload it to YouTube if you want. I would upload it to YouTube because there's going to be a record of your videos on YouTube for eternity. But before you upload to YouTube, be sure to have your YouTube channel. Make sure you create a YouTube channel. I will have another training in this series to show you how to set up your YouTube channel to get the most out of it. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to just cancel now because I've actually explained what you need to do to get started. So we'll cancel this. Delete and cancel this recording. Yes. Cancel. And so that is ScreenCast-O-Matic, and how do you start using it? ScreenCast-O-Matic does not create a shortcut button on your desktop. So what you're going to need to do is go to your download file where it's at, right click, and click send to, and then send it to your desktop. Now let's go back to our desktop and make sure that it's there. Alright, so here it is, and I'm just going to rename that. And I don't like to see shortcut there, so we'll delete that. So now I have a button on my desktop. Every time I want to use a ScreenCast-O-Matic, all I have to do is click on it. And it's going to launch your screen. You're not able to pin this to the taskbar like you would any of the other icons. As you can see, you can't get it to stay there. So that's it for my video on ScreenCast-O-Matic. Below this video is a direct referral link to join me in one of my systems, Rockwall Investments, if you'd like to earn a passive income of up to 1.5% daily. Now that is not 1.5% daily, it is up to 1.5% daily. There's also a direct referral link to join Coinbase if you don't already have a Bitcoin wallet. There's a link to join Cointracking.info to keep track of your online business for tax purposes so that you can file your taxes with the IRS. There's a way to contact me. Most certainly join my Facebook group for any future trainings and updates. And most importantly, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where there's also trainings and updates and a lot of marketing tools to help you promote your business. And we hope to see you on the money train.